Okay, in this video I'm just going to work on this last little part, our little footer here, the Jordan Tourism Authority. And so if I come over to my HTML page, I already have it written in, so I'm just going to uncomment it so we can see what we did here. It's really pretty basic. I have the footer element that contains a paragraph element that contains the text itself. I also did a couple little maintenance things just real quick. I wrote an end content comment to this div that ends the content. And I also did an end left one for the div that has a ID of left. So I just kind of did that as a little, just kind of a little maintenance thing, just so if I ever need to refer to it later, I'll know. Okay, this div ends the content, that one ends the left. So anyway, we come back over here, and if I refresh my page, you can see I have the text sitting over here on the left side. And if I put my screenshot back up, I got to scroll down a little bit. You can see that I need to move it over to the center. Well, that's easy enough to do. So I'm going to come down here, put in a comment, and I'm going to write footer. Alright, and then I'll write my footer element, space, and then I'm going to go text align center. Okay, so that puts it in the center. And then you can see that it's matching up just fine. It looks like the font and everything's fine. Just needs to move down a little bit. There's a couple ways I could do this. I could just give it a little bit of margin on the footer if I want to, and just move that element down. Or since it's just some text, I could also just put some padding. So I'll just do the padding one. So I'm just going to put a padding, and I'll start with 5 pixels all the way around. And if I look at that, I can see that it's moved it down, but it hasn't moved it down enough. Okay, so I'll say, okay, well, what about 10 pixels? Sure enough, lined up right there with 10 pixels. It seems like 10 pixels has been our magic number for most of this assignment. We're also going to come over here to where I have the padding at 10 pixels, 10 pixels. I don't need that second 10 pixels because it's the same thing as doing this. So I pretty much, looks like now I have the whole website built, and it is pixel perfect. Okay, everything's lining up really nice. Okay, so in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check it for validation, and we should be done.